Hi friends, good evening. My name is Achyut and I'm from Isaac. So today in this class, we will learn about material nouns. So what are material nouns and how these nouns can be helpful in our daily life or communication. So let us see how these nouns will help in our daily life communication. So the introduction, the realm of English grammar, nouns are the backbone of language, and among them material nouns hold a unique place. These nouns represent substances that can be measured or weighted. So that can be measured. So which is measured or weighted, but not counted. So those are called material nouns. For example, such as gold. So can weighted or measured. Silver, wood, and air. So these are all material nouns. Explore the concept of material nouns, their examples, advantages, and proper uses in a YouTube class format. So definition of material nouns. So material nouns are special names given to raw materials. So as I told you, raw materials like gold, silver, wood, these are all raw materials which are used to create a various things. They are tangible that can be measured or weighted, but not counted. So these nouns include substances from nature, animals, plants, and those that are man-made. So I hope you understand what are material nouns. So from plants, we can make wood. So from nature, we will get gold and silver. So all these things are comes under material nouns. Examples of material nouns. Gold. Diamonds are precious because of their rarity. Air. We breathe air every day. Leather. He has a leather bag. Rice. We bought 2 bags of rice. Cotton. They are working in the cotton field. So these are all material nouns. Classification of material nouns. Material nouns can be classified into 4 categories based on their sources. Materials from nature. So what will come from nature? Water, air, gold, iron, copper, sand, coal, rock, sunlight, rain, earth. All these are material nouns from nature. Materials from animals. Egg, meat, honey, milk, silk, leather, wool. All these are material nouns from animals. Materials from plants. Cotton, food, oil, wood, jute, coffee, medicine, tea, rubber, perfume. Materials which are man-made, acid, alcohol, brick, cement, butter, ghee, cheese. So these are all the material nouns which come from nature, animals, plants, and materials which are man-made. So advantages of understanding materials. So it helps in understanding the composition of various products and their raw materials. So by all seeing all these things, we can know, right? So we can know various products and their raw materials. It aids in comprehending the uses of various substances in everyday life. It fosters a deeper understanding of the world around us. So with the material nouns, we can understand the world better. So including the materials we interact with daily. Proper usage of material nouns. When using material nouns in sentence, remember material nouns are always singular. Material nouns are always singular. This point you should remember. So material nouns always singular. So articles and or the are not used before material nouns. I hope you understand. Article and or the are not used before the material nouns. Conclusion. In conclusion, material nouns are a vital component of English grammar, providing a tangible connection to the world around us. Understanding material nouns enhance our ability to communicate about the physical world and its components more accurately and effectively. So this is all about material nouns. So if you think this video is helpful for you, please like it. Please like the video and please share the video to your friends and your family members so that they can be benefit from this video. And please subscribe to my channel and please ring the bell icon. Then only you'll get the notification whenever I post the videos in the YouTube, or otherwise you'll not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.